Well, severe weather can strike any place, anytime. Is the same true for tornadoes? Well, unfortunately, the answer is yes. Tornadoes can occur in unusual places. Most of the times, tornadoes occur in the plains across Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and even further east. In fact, recently, there's some evidence to suggest that most tornadoes are occurring further east from there, across the deep south, the lower Ohio Valley, and also up into the Midwest. So these are your more common areas where you see tornadoes. Well, back in July of 1987, something very unusual happened. We had a violent F4 tornado occur in Yellowstone. Damage was noted as high as 10,000 feet above sea level. And that was an F4 tornado there in Yellowstone. And we don't want to forget about our tornado here locally in West Virginia, up in northern West Virginia back in June of 1944, a deadly tornado, a violent one. It was an F4 tornado that formed near Shinston, north of Clarksburg. It dropped southeast for 60 miles and went up Cheat Mountain in Randolph County, and it didn't spin down until it made it well into the mountains. So yes, even the mountainous terrain cannot stop tornadoes sometimes, especially if the parent supercell is rotating violently like this one was also. 100 deaths occurred along the track of this tornado. Still to this day, it's the 15th deadliest United States tornado in history, according to the Storm Prediction Center. And of course, the 40th anniversary of this outbreak is coming up soon. May 31st, 1985. Numerous violent tornadoes occurred in northeast Ohio and also northwest Pennsylvania. One F5 occurred near Niles, Ohio, went to Wheatland, Pennsylvania. 76 people lost their lives in this outbreak. This would have been a bad outbreak for Alabama or Oklahoma, let alone this part of the region. The asphalt was scoured up. A 75,000-pound propane tank was ripped up in Niles, tossed onto the road, and crushed. Just incredible strength for a tornado that far east. So the moral of the story is, if conditions are right, tornadoes can occur anywhere, even in mountainous terrain.